Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Finally, after a whole year of being MIA, I am finally back. And today I'm going to be showing you how I do eyeliner. I do have a disclaimer, I'm not a professional at all. My eyeliner doesn't come out the same every time that I do it, but this is just an easy way on how I learned how to do eyeliner. I do have two different eye shapes, one is bigger than the other. So this is what helps me and the techniques that I use to get the perfect eyeliner. So if you guys are interested in learning how I did that, go ahead and keep on watching. I have two different eyeliners that I'm going to be using today. They're both from my brand, Radiant Beauty. This one is just a regular liquid eyeliner, and this one is an adhesive eyeliner. So either will work. We're going to go ahead and try them out. Another really good eyeliner that I really like is the Galactic one. I'll put a picture of it right here. That one is super pigmented, really good. It glides on perfect. So I zoomed it in as much as I could. And there are a few ways that you can do eyeliner. A lot of people like to put tape. Personally, I don't like to put tape. It just like messes it all up for myself. I'm more of an eyeballing type of gal, but if it works for you, go ahead and do that. You can also use like a credit card, put it on the side, angle it, and just go for it, right? But this is a little easier for me. This is how I learned how to do eyeliner. I do have to get very close to the mirror though, because I have to see what I'm doing. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be using my regular adhesive, not the adhesive one, sorry. I'm going to be using the regular liquid eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. It's like a very fine tip. There it goes. Super pigmented. And it actually looks like if it was a liquid pen. Like if it wasn't a pen, like if it was just like a liquid eyeliner. Okay, so the first tip that I am going to give you is get close to a mirror. Either bring up a mirror like this, close to you. Make sure it's eye level. You can either go into your big mirror that you have hanging on the wall, your vanity, anything, really anything works. I like to just use a mirror that I'm like looking very close to. I like to look at the angle. I like to envision how I want my eyeliner to look. So I tell myself like, okay, I want the wing right here. Let me zoom in a little bit more. So by the way, public service announcement, I do have two different sized eyes. I do have thyroid and Graves' disease. So this eye is bigger than the left eye. Yeah, so my right is bigger than the left. So it is a little different and harder for me to do my eyeliner, but this is a technique that has worked for me for the past 2 years since I've been trying this new technique. Like I said, the tape does not work for me because this eye is a lot bigger, so you can never get in the same. Yeah, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you want to do is get a mirror at eye level. Look at the mirror straight ahead. Work with one eye at a time. I like to see my eye. My eyeliner, I want it right here. So I'm envisioning how I want the line to look. So grabbing your eyeliner, I know that's where I want my line to go out. So I'm gonna place it, close my eye, and draw the line.
I do the top line first, and then I connect it to the outer corner.
That's literally it. Now I'm gonna connect it to the bottom. So now we are just going to connect this line to the outer corner of your eyelid. Once again, close your eye. You can kind of open it at this point. Fill it in a little bit. Get it a little closer to you if needed. So now, for the fun part, I'm going to, it's also the position of your hand. I don't know if this is just me. I'm not a professional, like I said. This This is just how I do it and what works for me. So shake it up, make sure you know it has enough juice. I like to close my eye a little bit, not all the way, because I still have to see where I'm applying the eyeliner. So by fairly closing it, you're going to get to the very inner corner. You want to get as thin as possible, as close as possible to your lash line. So here we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in, fix it, and then I'll be right back. So obviously it's not perfect. I'm going to end up cleaning it up a little bit from right here. But the way I also clean it up is by using my foundation. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. But as you can tell, like, my eyes look totally different now. Like completely, like this one looks a lot bigger than this one. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner on this one, and I will be right back. Okay, they look a little off, but what can you do when you don't have the same eye shape? So this next step is my all-time favorite. I'm gonna pop on some lashes using my adhesive eyeliner. So the way I use this eyeliner is you gotta roll it, shake it, make sure you get all that juice up in the front. Grab your lashes, your favorite lashes. My current favorite lashes are from my brand as well, Radiant Beauty, but it is Babes. These are my absolute favorite lashes. So grabbing your adhesive eyeliner, and if you don't know how to put on eyelashes, I do have a video. That was my very first YouTube video that I ever made. I can link it down below. But if you guys want an updated video on how to put on lashes, because I do it a little different now, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and we can work on that. So once you shake it, pull it out. It's also the same, has a nice fine tip. And I love, love, love this eyeliner. Not just because I sell it, but because it is actually really good. Okay, so I just do the little line where I'm gonna put my eyelashes. So wherever you fill it in, that's where your eyelashes are gonna stay. So I accidentally blinked. Has anybody seen that trend going around on TikTok where you like put the lash on the top of your lid and then just like connect it with the eyeliner? Curious to try it. Okay, so now that they're on, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. So for my mascara, I'm gonna be using the Essence Lash Princess. This one is so cute. It's like $3. It works really good. Once you got them spider legs going on, you know you did it right. Okay, so I'm just gonna correct the eyeliner really fast. I'm gonna be using the foundation that I used for my face. It's way better than using concealer. You just want like a little tiny drop, almost nothing. And you want an angled brush. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil. I believe this is the number 12. Yes, number 12. It's clean. I haven't used it for my eyebrows yet. So you just want to make sure you tap it on both sides. And because it's an angled brush, like, you'll get a better precise. Another tip that you could do is use micellar water on the brush first, wipe it a little bit, and then go in with the foundation that you used for the rest of your face. The only reason why I'm not doing that is for time purpose. Okay. And that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to learn some tips and tricks on how to do eyeliner. This is for beginners. Like I said, I'm not a professional. Have to mention that a bunch of times so that I don't get hate for not knowing how to do eyeliner the correct way. But yeah, I really hope that you guys try it out. See if you guys like this trick that I do. And if you do, let me know. Let me know down below as well what you'd like to see next. And yeah, I'll see you next Friday.